How to make money on YouTube. Tips and tricks. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 ways you can make money on YouTube. Whether you're just starting out or looking to boost your earnings, these tips are for you. We're talking big money here. The kind of cash that can change your life. We're not holding back. We're giving you the inside scoop, the secret sauce, the Mr. Beast approved strategies to rake in those YouTube riches. You know I love giving back, right? Well, consider this me giving back to the YouTube community. Let's get real for a second. Building a successful YouTube channel takes hustle, creativity, and a whole lot of heart. But guess what? It's totally doable and the rewards can be insane. So, are you ready to turn your passion into profit? Buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's unlock the secrets to YouTube monetization together. First up, we're tackling the bread and butter of YouTube income ad revenue. You know those ads that play before, during, or after a video? Yeah, those bad boys can actually make you some serious bank. The more eyes you get on your content, the more those dollars start rolling in. But here's the secret. It's not just about the views, it's about the watch time, baby. You want your viewers glued to their screens, hanging onto your every word, and watching those ads all the way through. So, how do you make your videos so addictive that people can't click away? That's where the real challenge begins. Think about it. What keeps you hooked on a video? Is it the personality, the editing, the suspense, whatever it is? Find your magic formula and inject it into every single video you create. And hey, don't be afraid to get experimental. Try different video styles, formats, and topics. Remember, YouTube is all about entertaining and engaging your audience. The longer you can keep those viewers engaged, the more ad revenue you're going to generate. It's a win-win. Next up, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is where you partner with brands you love and recommend their products or services to your awesome viewers. It's like being a superhero, but instead of a cape, you get a custom link. Imagine this, you're rocking your latest tech review, and bam, you drop an affiliate link for the awesome headphones you're using. Your viewers get a sweet deal, the brand gets a sale, and you get a cut of the action. It's like a win-win-win situation. The key to affiliate marketing is authenticity. Don't just promote any random product for a quick buck. Stick to brands and products that you genuinely believe in, things that your viewers will actually find valuable. And remember, transparency is key. Let your audience know that you're using affiliate links. They'll appreciate your honesty. Plus, it builds trust and credibility, which are priceless in the YouTube game. Alright, let's talk merch. Have you ever thought about creating your own line of awesome swag? T-shirts, hoodies, hats, mugs. The possibilities are endless. Merch is a fantastic way to connect with your audience on a whole new level and give them a tangible piece of your brand. Imagine your viewers rocking your merch, spreading the word about your channel wherever they go. It's like having your own army of loyal fans, repping your brand 24/7. Plus, who doesn't love a good hoodie? The key to successful merch is creating high-quality products that your viewers will actually be proud to wear. Don't skimp on the design or the materials. Make it something special, something that reflects your brand personality. And don't be afraid to get creative. Think outside the box and come up with unique merch ideas that will make your fans go wild. Now let's talk about those dedicated fans who want to take their support to the next level. That's where channel memberships and Super Chat come in. These features allow your most loyal viewers to contribute directly to your channel and get some awesome perks in return. With channel memberships, you can offer exclusive content, badges, emojis, and even member-only live streams. It's like creating a VIP club for your most hardcore fans. Super Chat, on the other hand, is a way for viewers to make their comments stand out in the live chat by pinning them to the top. It's a fun way to interact with your audience in real time and reward those who are showing you some serious love. The best part? These features provide a steady stream of income that can help you fund bigger and better content. It's a beautiful cycle of giving back to your fans while they give back to you. Last, but definitely not least, let's talk about the big leagues: sponsored content and brand deals. This is where you collaborate with brands to create awesome content that aligns with your channel and resonates with your audience. Imagine partnering with your dream brand to create a video that's both entertaining and informative. It's a win-win. Your viewers get awesome content, the brand gets exposure to your engaged audience, and you get paid to do what you love. The key to successful brand deals is to be selective. Don't just accept any offer that comes your way. Choose brands that align with your values, your channel, and your audience. Remember, your credibility is everything. Only partner with brands you genuinely believe in and products you would actually use yourself. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more great content. See you next time. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and a whole lot of creativity. But with the right strategies and a whole lot of hustle, you can turn your passion into profit and achieve your YouTube dreams. So, get out there, create awesome content, engage with your audience, and watch those dollars roll in. Now go out there and make me proud.